Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome to our first official day in our home. Connor and I just had such a nice, relaxing morning. We were, still sort of are, exhausted after yesterday, but there's a lot to do today as far as trying to get this place slightly more in order. So we have to push through, get it done. But first up for the day is going to be going for a little walk to go get our coffee. Saturday morning, we always do a walk on Saturday morning, so I think it's gonna be very exciting getting to walk around our new neighborhood. Molly Cat is also loving having this big window here to people watch and sit in the sun. It's so sunny in here. There's a million sunny spots for Miss Molly Cat. Isn't that right, Molly? Look at her. Oh, there she goes. How amazing is this morning walk compared to our usual?
We can't get over it.
It's insane. It's so good.
And it's perfect. We've gone from quiet little neighborhood to like bustling main street.
Like that. It's such a beautiful day out too, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Yep. So we're just walking to grab a coffee from this place that we went to like the first time that we ever toured places in this neighborhood. I remember being there and being like, is this gonna be our new morning coffee shop? And now here it is. So exciting.
I think we were both like completely sold at the time. And we're just like, all right, we're gonna make it happen.
Exactly.
And we fucking did.
Yes, we did. So sad, you guys, this place is closing down. So wild, but luckily there's a million other coffee shops we can go to, so off to the next.
We gotta move.
We're back home. We ended up going to Groundwork Coffee, obviously since that other place was closed for the time being. Very sad because they had amazing teas there. We got iced teas last time we were there. It was so good, but that's okay. This is great too. Now we are going to start tackling the kitchen, try to clear out like some of this madness in here, try to make the living room slightly livable. Like there wasn't even really room for the couch and all of that stuff right now because it was just so smushed. So I think this room is gonna be our #1 priority today. Well, it's been a couple hours, but we're making pretty good progress here. Obviously, still a lot of stuff out, but all of our dishes and everything are in the cabinets now. Cleared out all of these boxes. We cleared out a ton of these boxes. We got stuff going into the closet here. We're in pretty good shape. I'm pretty impressed with us.
Right.
Killing it. Connor and I just cracked open a beer. We're gonna get some lunch going because we haven't eaten yet today, right? Let me try this. I haven't tried this before. Oh, I really like that.
Yeah, no, it's a great
pick. Thanks, babe. Cheers.
I really like Longboard.
That's so yummy.
It's a good day beer.
Yeah, it's perfect. So it's a couple hours later. I am so sorry, you guys. We got lunch and I totally forgot to show you. We picked up some sushi from a new place in this neighborhood, which was really yummy.
Right beside the pizza place we got grabbed yesterday.
Exactly. We're just taking a quick little break, watching some football while we eat before we finish up a few things for the day. Go Pack, they're our playoff team, so hopefully they pull this one out. So Kate and Alex are coming over tonight to check out our new place, which we're so excited for, and we haven't seen them in months. So we are super excited to catch up with them. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm a very handy gal, and I'm gonna show you we're having an issue with our toilet that I actually know how to fix. Can you believe it? I'm planning on fixing it myself as soon as I find what I need. Here we go. Basically, it won't flush because like the little chain that connects to the flusher is disconnected. So I fixed this before, actually. It's happened to toilets before. You just take a little twist tie and connect them. All right, this guy comes off. what I'm gonna do is take this little twist tie and connect it to this end, twist her up, and then, you can't see this part, sorry, but I'm just gonna connect it down here. I think this should solve our problem. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah! Guys, I am so handy. I'm a handy gal now. Haha! I love it. Okay, I think that we are done with our unpacking for the night.
Woo!
Oh man, it has been a long day already.
Yeah.
But it's been actually really fun. I've had a blast. Yeah, it's been so good. So I'll show you guys the status update. Kate and Alex are heading over here now, so I think I'm gonna stop vlogging for the night, just hang out with them, and I'll pick up tomorrow to sort of wrap up this vlog with the stuff that we're up to tomorrow to finish up a couple errands for our move. But let me show you our status. Molly Cat is starting to get more comfy, right? Do you like it here? It's not so bad, right? Good girl. So we got this living room area set up for right now. We're replacing really like a ton of this furniture eventually, but this is what we have going on for now. All of this got sort of cleared out here, which is nice.
So we can walk in.
Yeah, right? It's almost totally empty back here. Just a few more boxes to take care of. Then over here, we have the bar cart. I just threw this over here for now. I don't know if we'll keep it, but just to put it somewhere. Kitchen. The office has gotten worse because we just keep throwing stuff in here that we don't know what we want to do with yet. But as I said, that is what this room is for now. So we are fine with that. Then through here, really not much has changed really at all. Just still the bed. So there you go. That is the status update, and I will see you guys tomorrow for some more unpacking and errands and moving fun. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, and we are just getting going here today. It's been a bit of a slower morning, but pretty nice. And Connor just ran out to grab us bagels. Let's see, what time is it? I guess it's only 11:20, it's not so bad. I just finished showering and we are heading back to downtown today to clean up our places and turn in our keys, which is so crazy that like it's gonna be over with for that. And then we'll come back here to sort of finish up, or not finish obviously, but work more on unpacking with our boxes and stuff like that. We still have quite a few boxes in the master bedroom specifically that I want to get through this weekend before the week starts and like work is back and things will surely be crazy. All right, Connor secured the goods. I got an everything bagel with cream cheese, which looks really good. Connor got the lox platter, which also looks insane. Amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be so
all the fixings
good.
too.
Love it.
Very impressed.
All right, we're back in my building.
Boom, boom, final time.
The last time, it's so crazy. I can't believe it. Wow. Well, we're back at my empty apartment here. So strange. Connor's working on the Nest because we have to uninstall that. Thank you, Con. And I'm gonna work on finishing throwing out stuff and cleaning and all of that. Stuff to the trash room, but we're almost done at my place now. So crazy. Well, we're all packed up and I'm leaving. It's so strange, but I feel so much better about it now that we're in our new place and I love it so much.
It makes leaving easier.
It does, but wow. So weird. I've had so much like time in this apartment. Gosh, that's so crazy. All right. This is it. Let's do it. Okay, bye apartment. Here we go. It's closing. That's it. 841. You did me good, but time to go. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. Connor's all loaded up. You look so crazy. Killing it, babe. Okay, last time at Connor's, we just finished clearing out the rest of the stuff that was here. We're gonna clean it now and then we are done. officially done in here. We are exhausted. Oh my gosh, this has been such a pain to do, but that's how it goes. Just turn this off. Oops. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's get out of here. Goodbye, apartment.
Goodbye.
You were fun. Look at that beautiful brick. Oh, I'll miss that.
You're prettier than you were useful.
Gorgeous. I'm actually popping in from the next day just to end this vlog for you guys. Sorry that I didn't end it properly yesterday. We got back from cleaning our places and we're just so exhausted from everything this weekend that we literally didn't do anything else. We plopped down on the couch and stayed there, like forced ourselves to stay up until 10:30 at night. And then just went straight to sleep, and it was such a good solid sleep. I feel so much better today. So I figured I would just wrap up this vlog quickly by unboxing some of this stuff I just got delivered from Amazon. Ooh, that did not sound good.
No one drops in there.
Who knows? So anyway, I just thought I would unbox these for you quickly because I just got some stuff for our place delivered. Okay. Oh my, what? This is not even what I ordered. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing? I don't know. Whatever, this still sounds good. So I got some K-pods. Oh, this is like a lot of them. I don't know what happened, but whatever. I was trying to order my chai tea K-pods. Maybe I just picked the wrong thing? I don't know, I'm gonna have to double check, but this sounds delicious anyway. It's vanilla caramel latte. I have the Keurig back from Connor now, so there we go. Got my K-pods for in the morning. And here we have a couple more things. So first up, we just have a new scrubber. Actually funny, I ended up paying double for the scrubber so that it would have the white top. I could get like, so this was $10. I could get a $6 one, but it was gonna be like bright lime green, like hideous. Even Connor agreed that I should spend the extra money and just get the good scrubber. So now we have this beautiful looking scrubber. I'm a big fan. I got a new dish drying mat because we needed a new one. I had mine for 3.5 years since I moved into my last place. So just a nice silicone one. I thought that would be good because it can also work as a hot pad, so you can put like hot pots and stuff like that down on here. And then the last thing I got, I am so excited for. By the way, I'll link all of this down below for you guys, is this expandable cutlery tray. It's the little things, right? Like, I am pumped for this. So this is what it looks like, and then these sides sort of like pull out and you can create extra little areas for all your stuff. So there you go, super pumped about all of this. I also want to give a quick shout out to Kate and Alex because they were so sweet and got us some housewarming goodies. They got us some yummy champagne, which we definitely have to crack into sometime, although maybe we'll save it for the next time we see them. And then they also gave us an always pan. I am so excited for this. I've been dying for one of these, so look at how pretty it is too. I'm very pumped about owning one now. So big thank you to them, so nice. And that's it, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you on Friday for more unpacking.